questions are being raised about the horrific incident involving Shakti at Calcutta RG Hospital on August 9. And as the investigation continues, the focus is on who's responsible for this disgusting behavior meted out to Shakti on the 4th floor of the hospital. While Sanjay Roy has been named as an accused, many are asking if he acted alone or if others are also involved in this incident. Now, developments unfold in the RG Medical College case as CBI questions the former principal, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, for the 8th time. The agency's persistent suggests dissatisfaction with his responses, fueling speculation about his involvement as well. And as the nation demands truth and justice, the CBI continued scrutiny of Dr. Ghosh raises a lot of questions. Now, over the last few days, Times Now has been getting for you exclusive details about the controversial man and his murky past. Now, despite facing allegation of corruption, he was repeatedly brought back to the RG hospital, is what we are learning. And sources are also telling Times Now that Sanjay Roy, who's in fact accused in the case and the only one, has been relocated to cell number 21 at the Presidency jail where he's currently at, following the transfer of a murder suspect. Now, Roy will be under the intense scrutiny with 24/7 CCTV surveillance and 2 dedicated guards, as well as authorities ramp up the security to closely monitor his every move. Now, Times Now has also accessed the testimony of one of the Sanjay Roy's friend, and this man has revealed disturbing details about the rape and murder accused character. Listen in.
क्या मेन प्रॉब्लम मेन सर है उसको मेन मतलब क्या, उसको शराब पीने के बाद वो शैतानी हरकत में आ जाता था। कोई भी लड़की, वो पाड़ा का लड़की लोगों को देख के, कोई भी लड़की को देख के वो मतलब पीछे करता था।
अच्छा, राह चलते लड़कियों को छेड़ देता था।
हाँ, उसके लिए वही सब आम बात था सर। मैंने ये भी सुना है कि वो अपना वो वाइफ को मतलब प्राइवेट पार्ट में
सिगरेट के पार्ट से भी जलाता था,
मतलब बियर की बोतल डाल देता था प्राइवेट पार्ट में, फिर सिगरेट से सेका देता था। वही कारण से लड़की को कहाँ कैंसर हो गया था।
BJP is concerned, they have intensified the pressure on West Bengal Chief Minister, asking for her resignation. Remember, they've been asking for her resignation to ensure justice for the victim. Protests, in fact, erupted in West Bengal yesterday with the slogans of "Return our daughters to us." Listen in what BJP said.
बहुत सारे प्रश्न अब सामने आ रहे हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जो प्रोसीडिंग्स सार्वजनिक हुई हैं, उसके चलते कई लोग इस बात से भी आहत हैं कि माता पिता को एफआईआर करना पड़ा। बार बार माता पिता भी गुहार लगा रहे थे। ये भी पब्लिक डोमेन में आया है कि इस व्यक्ति के खिलाफ विजिलेंस के पास भी काफी लेटर्स और कम्युनिकेशन गए हैं, क्योंकि वर्तमान में इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहे हैं सीबीआई के माध्यम से भी। और अब प्रश्न उठता है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी क्या निर्णय होगा। बंगाल में राशन स्कैम हो चुका है, एजुकेशन स्कैम हो चुका है। ऐसा लगता है कि अब बहुत ही जल्द हेल्थ स्कैम के भी कई परतें खुलने वाली हैं।
ममता बनर्जी का रिजाइन, क्योंकि वो रिजाइन नहीं करेंगे तो जस्टिस नहीं होगा, और जितने गुनाहगार को बचाने के प्रयास कर रही हैं। आज स्लोगन आ रहा है कि लक्ष्मी भंडार नहीं चाहिए, हमारी बेटी को वापस दीजिए।
I welcome this decision of Calcutta High Court. We have seen for last 2 years that Calcutta High Court is trying to do something which brightens the face of judiciary. And so, in tune with that, Calcutta High Court has done that, and I am very hopeful that now the papers which were to be destroyed by creating this SIT by Mamata Banerjee suddenly will be kept and will come to light.
So the Central Bureau of Investigation is conducting the probe in this case. So let's take you through what the CBI has found so far and where the Calcutta probe is currently heading. These are the pointers. Sanjay Roy had injuries marked during his arrest. So at the time he was arrested, he had injuries on his left cheek, abrasion on his left hand is what the CBI has found out. He had abrasions on his fingers and on the back of his thighs. After his arrest, Sanjay Roy's clothes, bike and helmet have also been recovered by the CBI. CCTV footage of the route used by Sanjay Roy has also been recovered. So CBI is seized of the CCTV footage as well. Rape accused Roy allegedly confessed to his crime, and this remains quite important. CBI also suspects that the crime scene has been altered with something. CBI also told the Supreme Court day before yesterday. CBI is also trying to find out if tampering was intentional. Another point that was mentioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation to the Supreme Court: 3D imaging of the emergency ward done multiple times. That area has been scanned by the Central Bureau of Investigation and CBI to conduct the polygraph test on the 7 individuals, and this also includes the 4 colleagues of the victims. CBI also carrying out polygraph tests to get the truth out. So this will be conducted on all the accused and also the suspects. CBI is trying to find out if the statements are tutored as well. My colleague Sabyasachi joins us live on the broadcast to give us more details about where the investigation is headed. Sabyasachi, you've been reporting on this story in depth. Take us through where this investigation is headed right now, and we are also learning that the polygraph test will also be conducted.
Well, absolutely. See, a special court yesterday has allowed the polygraph test to be conducted on Sanjay Roy, the accused in the rape and killing of a training doctor at the state-run Arjikar Medical College and Hospital. And the court yesterday remanded the accused to judicial custody for 14 days. The police have arrested Roy on August 10 after the 31-year-old doctor was found raped and murdered at the Arjikar Hospital, and the police have found some injuries on his left cheek, an abrasion in his left hand, his left and right finger, and an abrasion over the back of his left thigh, among the others. Later, the CBI took him into custody after a court order and questioned for days. And a psychological analysis was also conducted on Sanjay Roy. Meanwhile, the court had already given its nod to conduct a polygraph test on Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of the Arjikar Medical College and Hospital, and 4 other doctors who were on duty at the hospital at that particular day. So clearly, as far as the investigation is concerned, from the CBI side, it has been mentioned that somewhere the crime scene has been compromised and serious lapses could be seen as far as the investigation was done by the Calcutta police. In fact, the CBI is looking at the polygraph test because after the continuous questioning of crime accused Sanjay Roy as well as Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, who has been questioned in this matter for over 88 hours till now, the CBI says that there has been a lot of discrepancies in the statement that has been come forward by the prime accused as well as Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, and in this regard, a polygraph test is very much important as far as the investigation is concerned.
Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We have another